So you guys may have noticed by now, but there's different ways to hit a forehand. So I'm not talking about the main points, like you still want to hit in front of you, you still want to have that racket back, you still want to follow through. But there's different parts where you have a decision to choose what works best for you. So this is where you develop your own style. So, do you guys remember a couple lessons back I was telling you, on that contact point, try stepping in. Try to see if you like that. This is exactly the same thing. You have a choice. Are you gonna step in on your shot, or are you gonna hit and just have your weight forward and then move back? Then there's other things that you can do. There's an open stance where you hit with your feet pointing at the net, and they're basically parallel to the baseline and service line. Then there's the closed stance, which I actually do, where you turn and you're actually perpendicular to the baseline and service line, and your feet are actually pointing towards the sidelines. And then you do your shot. That's another choice you get to make. Then there's also grips. Some people, to add an extreme amount of topspin, like my little brother, they actually have a grip that's even more Eastern than normal. Brush up on the ball more. So in this lesson, I'm going to go over a couple of things you can try out to see if you like them or not in your shot.